right, welcome back to Budget Noob. On the screen, I'm going to be showing you real pay stubs that are going to show you the difference between gross payment or what you receive from an employer versus net payment, which is what you take home. This is going to be important because the next step of our budget, we're going to be tracking what our net payment is. So you may say, oh, I make 70K a year, but you're only actually taking home, say, 78% of that. So this is important because we want to see what our pre-tax deductions are. This could be 401k, HSA, medical, dental, etc. And then you're going to have your tax amount, and you'll see how much taxes actually really get taken out of your paycheck to give you a net payment. And so this is going to be important to know how much you're actually netting, because the next column of our budget sheet, we are going to be tracking what our net payments are so that we can compare, contrast, see how much is left in the spending budget, and then get you some percentages as well. So take a look at your pay stubs, get familiar with what your numbers are, because we're going to be using them coming up next.